Morning everyone, and today we are going to continue the next topic in the lesson constitutional design. The topic is making of the Indian Constitution. तो आज के बारे में हम लोगों को भारतीय संविधान जो बनाया गया वो कैसे बनाया गया उसके बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करेंगे. अप टू नाउ वी हैव स्टडीड दैट द मेकिंग ऑफ द साउथ अफ्रीकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन and what type of features are present in the South African Constitution. We know that India or country became independent from the British rule after a lapse of 2 centuries under the foreign domain, and in 1947 it got the independence on the 15th of August 1947, but it became a republic on the 26th of January 1950. मतलब भारत जो था वो गणतंत्र कब बना 1950 से 1950 को 26 जनवरी को when it adopted the constitution, and it take a lot of time for the members to make the constitution. Now we will find out how the constitution of India was made and what were its key features. We are going to describe it in the given points. The first thing is we are going to know about the situation and type of independence of India. तो भारत के जब आज़ादी के समय सिचुएशन क्या था, स्थिति क्या थी, कंडीशन क्या थी, उसके बारे में हम लोग जानेंगे. एट टाइम ऑफ इंडिया एज इंडिपेंडेंस a situation was very peculiar. Why? Because the British have divided India in two parts, India and Pakistan, and there are a lot of conflict between the communities who have been living here for centuries together, and lakhs of people were killed in the communal riots. सांप्रदायिक दंगों में लाखों लोग मारे गए. And when the constitution was to be drafted, the members who were present, there were 299 members of the Constituent Assembly who took active part, and for making the constitution they hold meetings throughout this period, and they came to the conclusion that a constitution should be made in such a way that in future the people should live in harmony and there should be no communal tension and conflict between the people of India. Therefore they tried to draft a constitution that would be giving equality, freedom of speech, expression, universal adult franchise to the citizens. Now we are going to discuss one by one to all of you. The first thing is that universal adult franchise. What is universal adult franchise? It is a mandate which is given to each and every citizen of a country to vote, and a person who attains the age a certain minimum limit, it is 18 years in now in India, that he or she can vote, and the vote has a face value of 1, and each person has 1 vote. Therefore there is equality in the giving of the vote, and people can select the best government by giving the vote. The next thing is that right to freedom. Right to freedom is a cluster of rights. Why cluster of rights? Because right to freedom contains right to speech, right to freedom of religion, right to settle anywhere in the country, right to go at any place in the nation throughout without any hindrance, right to do any work if a person wants, if the work is legal, earn livelihood, and take education. Therefore this is called a cluster of rights. Then right to equality. The right to equality says that each and every citizen of the country is equal irrespective of the caste, color, creed, sect, religion, or color, the skin. Means each and every citizen should be treated equally in the country, and the constitution provides equal opportunity to each and every people in the nation. Therefore the Constituent Assembly, which are the members, eminent members like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, then Jaypal Singh, H.C. Mukherjee, etc. These persons came from various parts of the nation. Means The members belong to the each and every place. Means not from a single place the members came, and they understood the matter of the interest of the people very good. Means they have the clear knowledge of what the people's problem and what were the people's aspirations if a constitution was to be formed in a independent India. तो कहने का मतलब है कि आज़ाद भारत में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कैसा बनना चाहिए, उस बारे में ड्राफ्टिंग के लिए कमेटी के जो हेड थे, चेयरमैन डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर थे, और उनके सहयोगी में बहुत सारे लोग थे, एस सी मुखर्जी थे, जयपाल सिंह, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. ऑल दिस पीपल वर देयर हु हेल्प्ड हिम इन ड्राफ्टिंग द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर द इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया. एंड it was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came in effect on the 26th of January 1950. Therefore, India became a republic on 26th of January 1950, and from then onwards we became a republic nation. We became sovereign also. Sovereign in the terms of what? Means no other foreign power guides or control ourselves. We are the owners of our own. Means we are the owners of our own ideas, and no one is governing us. We govern ourselves. In the terms, we became a sovereign at that time. Therefore, we can say that the Constitution of India was made and drafted, and it was sure to be fulfilling the aspirations of the Indian citizens. Therefore, very much thank you to all of you for listening me. Have a good day.